Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I'm headed into Target number 2 and I'm taking you guys with me. So Target number 1 was loud. It's always like a disco party in there, and I'm just interested to see what else is hitting the shelves for Christmas. Let's go shopping. Finally, something to get excited about in the dollar spot. They put out a few pair of shoes that I'm excited about. So last year they did Santa's boots in some non-traditional colors. They were a lot smaller than these. These are just like Buddy the Elf's shoes in the movie Elf. They are $5 a piece, but quite a bit larger. They also come in Santa's boots. And the white part up here is a little glittery, but I'm a big fan of the traditional color and the little elf shoes in red and green. They're also putting out some bells I'm pretty excited about. I think they're really pretty. This one on the end is a hunter green. They've got the glazed white, and this one in the black on bottom and white on top, and they're $3. They're also putting out some really cute candle holders. Definitely hearth and hand look. These do hold 4 tapered candles. They come in black and silver for $3 a piece. They've also got some galvanized buckets out like last year. This year they come in the reindeer treats, pine cones, down here in Merry Christmas with a black bow, and fresh holly for 10 cents a bunch. They do have little wooden handles, and this year they're $5. They brought back the metal houses, and these are pretty similar to the ones that were out at Halloween, just the corrugated roof. They are $5. They have the shorter squatty one, just like Halloween. They've got the medium size, and that one has the chimney. And these actually come with fairy lights. So there is a battery operated compartment there and some fairy lights connected inside. It also comes in the taller one. Just above the little houses, they brought back the $3 wreaths. I do really like this one in the cedar, and the ribbon that they used is super pretty. Glad to see that they are $3 and not $5. It also comes in the boxwood. I really like these, you guys. These are $5 interchangeable signs. They both have little slots on the top. It comes in the wood finish. This one is Better Not Pout on this side, and Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas on this side. Hopefully you can see all of the prints this one comes with. I think I prefer this one in the black. Welcome to our winter wonderland. And on this side it has the reindeer games, and hopefully you'll be able to see all of the other prints. For $5 they did some wooden boxes. These are perfect for giving gifts in. Now the one with the galvanized metal is a little bit taller but a little bit smaller, and then they've got the white and black ribbon, and those are a little bit shorter but a little bit longer. I just found a bunch of tree skirts. Now these are $7 this year. They've always been $5 in years past. They've got it in the We Believe. Last year they were reversible, I believe. It does come in a black and white plaid, a total knockoff of Hearth and Hand. I wonder how they feel about that. And this one in Merry Christmas with a little green on the edge. So you gotta give them props for the design. These are super cute. I think another Hearth and Hand knockoff, if you ask me. I was getting a lot of questions about the backs on things. So this one is the same all the way around with the black cuff, but holy sticker shock, again, $5. Now if I remember correctly, this size last year and in years past has been $3. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Let me show you guys size wise. This sweater print is black and green. The back side of this one is kind of a really cheap felt, if I'm being totally honest. And then they've got this one in the black and white plaid, and that one is the same on the back. And they're $5 a piece. Something that's still $3 are their signs, which is really nice. They have this one in Dashing Through the Snow. My favorite, this one in Sleigh Rides, and that one is printed in green and gray. They also have the 12 Days of Christmas on a chalkboard looking backing, and this one in Joyful, and the print on this one is green. The white you're seeing is fabric. They've started putting out a few dish towels. These are definitely pretty fun and whimsical. They're $5 this year, guys. They've always been $3 for a pack of 2. I do like the ticking stripe on the back of this one. They've also got Merry and Bright with the ornaments. That one comes with a tree pattern. Over here they've got Better Not Pout. That one comes with an almost vintage looking ornament on the back. And the Merry Christmas with some chartreuse trim. And that one comes with a printed back. Something else that has stayed $3 are their little bowls, which is nice to see. So for $3 it comes in the candy cane in red with a white center. This one very Hearth and Hand looking with some silver tree details. And this one is definitely a Hearth and Hand knockoff with the black and white X's, green in the center, and then also comes in the green and white stripe. In the same prints, they have the coffee mugs with handles in ceramic. I'm super excited because they are $3. They didn't go up in price, and they're dishwasher and microwavable safe. They brought back their little treat dishes, but this year they are $5. They have this one in the red that's very retro looking. I do like this one in the ornaments. It also comes in the Christmas tree in white and green and the joy in white. Also for $3, they've done some really cute frames. This one in the black and white says Best Team. They also have it in Best Friends in the wood, and that one's got a red edge to it. Over here in the candy canes in Happy Holidays, and You and Me on the white, and that one's got the green edge. They brought back the glass jars in 2 styles and 2 sizes, the smaller and the taller. I really like the candy cane print on this one, but you guessed it, they are $5 this year. And for $3, they're putting out some tins for gifting. They have this one in the green and black. I really like that color scheme. They also have it in the Sweet Holiday Wishes and the candy canes. They're also putting out some of their $3 picks. Lots of greenery, different kinds of pine. This one with some pine cones. They've got the frosted berries and lots of green. So they're starting to put out some paper products, and why am I showing you guys tissue paper? Well, it's not a bad deal. You do get 50 sheets and it's $3. But I'm showing it to you because that usually determines what prints they're doing. So they've got the green with the stripe. They've got the navy with the gold polka dot. These also come with plenty of white. I'm sure that's their filler. They've got the Fa La 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 and the buffalo check and gold. So it'll be interesting to see if these are the themes for this year. For $3, they have a couple of little notebooks, some of them perfect for gifting, this one for the coaches, and then they also have one for the pet sitters, which I may have to look into getting. And you guys, they're putting out toilet paper in the Target dollar spot. I don't know if it's 2-ply, so don't ask, but it's $3 for a 2-pack, probably more of a fun party novelty item. It's really nice to see Hanukkah being put out in Bullseye's Playground. They have a few signs this year. They're $3 a piece. It also comes in this one, all kinds of text. Down here in the terms and traditions with the gold, and a countdown that is reversible, so it's gray on one side and blue on the other. More Hanukkah goodies, some pillows with tassels, love and light. These are only $3 a piece, surprisingly. Also comes in 8 nights, and this one has some pom-pom fringe to it. They also did some ceramic platters, this one with the gold text. They are $7 a piece, so a bit more pricey. It also comes in blue in Happy Hanukkah. And last but not least, they're putting out a few winter themed candles. This one is frosted fir. It also comes in the black and white in winter birch. And in the white in first frost, I have to say these all smell pretty good. And they're $3 a piece. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Target to see what is hitting the shelves. It's definitely some empty space, so we'll have another trip in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.